Hey guys, so it has been a minute since I've vlogged. It's a Saturday, it's finally March, which is crazy to even think about, but we're gonna go out to this place called Yanagi Sushi. They have late night happy hour, and I'm gonna go with Jay, and we're going because I'm staying over at my auntie's house, who's also in town, so that's where we're going. So I'll take you along with me. So I ordered breakfast this morning just to treat myself. I got an Eggs Benedict Pandan coffee. Just look at this view. Hi, it's a Monday. It's officially my first day of spring break. I have a couple things planned. I want to get my hair cut, get my nails done, go to the beach a couple times, take photos. So hopefully that'll come up this week while doing homework. I'm gonna head to the nail salon right now and I'll show you guys the finished product when I'm done. So these are the nails that I got at the nail salon. It's kind of like this concrete mushroom color. I think it's a nice change and it's like an oval shape. So it's a Wednesday. Forgive my hair, I just got out of the shower. But I'm gonna go get a haircut. So I'll take you guys along with me. I think I'm gonna do like a little longer than shoulder length, but we'll see. So this is my final haircut, my finished haircut. This is what it looks like. I like it. It's very voluminous. So today is a Thursday and spring break is going by so fast. I just can't believe how fast it's going. Today we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna take some content pictures and some reels, and we're gonna go to the North Shore. So I'll take you along with us.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. Those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you, yeah. We're driving down the freeway at night.
So we're currently at Keiki Beach and the waves are way too big, like they're over there, but they keep crashing on the shoreline, so definitely not swimming today. But it's a nice day, getting a tan.
I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting.
So this is editing me. I forgot to film a clip of Thursday when I went with my mom to Kailua for the day. It was her day off and we just spent time shopping at boutiques in the local area and also going to cafes. So here it is.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when
So today is Friday and I just got ready. I'm gonna go have lunch with my friend Kennedy and we're probably just gonna get pizza and then walk around afterwards at the mall.
Make sure I don't
But tomorrow is my first shooting date working as a group. I'm the producer, and so we're gonna have like snacks and shoot a scene at a location. So it's gonna be my first time like working in a group setting like that while filming, so it should be interesting. But I'll try to shoot clips here and there, and then afterwards I think on Saturday me and Jay are gonna cook dinner together, so that should be fun. So this is my outfit that I went for dinner. Dress is TJ Maxx, and I think it's Max Studio. Bag is Aritzia, and my clip is Cove Essentials. So this is the look. So it is a Wednesday. Forgive me, I look like an egg because I have my hair in a clip. I have class today till late, maybe like 8 o'clock. I just want to show you guys my outfit. So today's outfit is kind of giving like art teacher vibes, very like loose and casual. This top is Target. My top underneath is Aritzia. Leggings are Airy. Necklace is Ocean Creations. Clip is Cove Essentials, and that's it.